One of the things that happens constantly is clients request changes to a live site. And our team will go in and they'll make the changes. They'll send a request back or a note back that says, we've made these changes or we've made this updates, but the customer gets the changes and they can't see it. So it looks like it's not done. A, why, and B, how do they go about making sure that they always are looking at the most current version of their website so they can see those changes have been done?
Yeah, so sometimes like the clients can't see the new changes. So what we first recommend is clear your browser cache because sometimes like what you see on your screen may not be up to date, and there could be like browser cache that's like stopping your screen from like looking at the most recent version. So we recommend clearing your browser cache. And another thing that we also do is we also work on a staging version of the website just in case the client is not ready to go with those changes and they want to review the changes before going live.